sure how we were going to do these stumps at the bank parking lot. But with my boss's technologies and experiences, hey, we figured it out. We got Anthony Collier backing up Brian Mosley on this. Go Anthony, go! This is Brian's Tree Service, another fine job done by Brian's Tree Service. Highland, Hammond, Indiana. Get views of the other side of the truck from this side of the stump grinder, see how it looks. These two locust trees were in flower beds with cement about 2.5 feet up in the air. These were planted and they were getting too big, and the stumps and the roots were all above the regular sidewalk. They had them in flower beds, and these trees have just overgrown, and the cement pillars, these rings around the concrete flower beds, they were cracking, so they were worried about them blowing over. So again, Dean's Landscaping was having some landscaping service done at the bank, and they said, you know, the stumps would be an eyesore. And he had tried to get hold of a couple other companies, and they just weren't sure how to do the job. So I Brian Mosley from Highland, Indiana, had put my mind to thought, and we figured it out. That way there's no ugly eyesores at this bank, Citizens Federal, up here on Ridge Road in Munster, Indiana. And I thank you, and I'm going to be running this video for another few minutes. We're about done. That's George Sanchez running the stump grinder. All right. Very good. Good job, George Sanchez. All right. Now we and the landscapers can go about their business, and I believe they're going to put flowers in these flower beds. That way the stumps, you know, the stumps are, they were an eyesore, so we'll be able to make this premises look good at this bank parking lot. And I want to thank you for watching our video.